Alright, I think I got one more episode, man. Then I'm really gonna stop. Because I still have to work tonight, and that's gonna be hard as shit, so, yeah, just do one more. Welcome back to another episode of this game. Okay. Yeah, see, now they're scared. Oh, yes, that was great. Awesome. Woo! Oh, that's fun. Show me again. Woo! I thought it was only gonna do it when I was a bee, but no! You can also lift a man in the sky. Alright. So I'm assuming I need these guys. Wake up. Wake up. Shoot me up. High in the air. Yes. Haha. I figured out how to do this. Whoa. Oh god. Yes, got this. Whoa. That was a pretty failed slide. I missed it. Get him, get him. Before I leave space. Oh, I almost hit that 3. Almost got to my face hit by the 3. Something happened, but I don't know what. Oh, I need the bird thingy. Alright. Get rid of you. Yes. And where's the other one? Hey, there you are. Ow. Boom. Fuck you. I don't want your species around me. Yes? Yes! Haha! Alright. Starbits over here. Great. Another crate. That's great news. That's okay. Let's break these ones as well. Wake up. I need you for something, I guess. Yes, follow me. Yes. Oh, I was stuck. Oh, okay. Hey, hey, where you going? Come over here. Oh, you can't. But I can though, which is this is making it easier. Come over here, yes. Come over here. We're gonna go this way. Where you? Hey, hey, hey! I didn't tell you to stop following me. Huh? Fuck. Okay. All right. I'm kind of stuck in a loop here. Okay, I did it. No, 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 hey! Hey, oh! Fuck! Come over here. Come over here. Where do we go? Oh, hold on. Wrong way. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Yes. Oh, God. Oh, no. He's catching up quick. No, 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 no. Hey! Hello! Hey! Hey! Come here. I still need you, ducky. Pew! Yes! Oh no, can I? Shit. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay, I can just walk around. Okay, great. No, no, no. No, stop. I don't want you to fling me in the air. No! No, no. Alright, hold on a sec. I'll just... I did it. Yes. Great. Awesome. Collect some star bits that aren't there. Oh, there's the star. Oh, but I've barely filled the episode. That's a problem. Well, I'm sure I can do something, man. I can figure something out. Doing something fun. Oh. Alright, that's not doing shit. You come over here. Yes. That's not helping. Alright. Good to know. Yeah, I can't do that, but I can do this. Haha! There's so much going on here. Alright. I can't, okay. And this must do something? It doesn't? Okay. Jenga tower! Destroy it! It's not gonna destroy it. Hey, come over here. I need you. Shoot me up here. Yes. No, that's enough. Thanks. Alright, great. Now I'm a bee. No, that's water. And that's a bird. Alright, shoot me up here. See what happens, right? Haha, you messed up, son. I'll go up here. Yes. I'll go up here. Alright. This is going great. Miss me. Huh. Mario got the star. Oh. Yes, okay, there we go. I was very quiet because I was very scared that I was gonna fuck up. But great! Awesome! Did another star thingy. And now I'm gonna... Oh no, I'm gonna have to prove... Yeah, okay, alright. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to prove myself by beating the level I couldn't beat before. Alright. With the Shadow Mario and all that, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna win this time. Let's go. Fly to this galaxy, yes. Do it. This time I'm gonna do it. Yes! Whoa! Comets. Cosmic comets in the area. Yes. Yes, we've seen this. Thank you. We've seen this as well. We've seen this as well. Yes, I've seen this.
Let me skip it. What the fuck is this bullshit?
Oh. Yes. Ah, fucking damn it. Yes, yes, great. I'm still kind of behind him. No, get the ring. Okay. No, no, not again. Not again. Oh, shit. Is this faster? I just want to check. I don't think it is. No, it's definitely not. Alright, in that case, I'll get the 1-up. To make sure I don't lose in life. It's, more... Okay, I lost a life. Doesn't matter though. I'm gonna do it. 5 lives? Don't even need them. I only need 1. Check this out. Check. Just watch me. Just boom. Yes. Ha! Yes. Ha ha! Oh shit, what's happening? Oh, this time I go over here. I go over here. Get speed boost. Hey. Get another speed boost. Yes. I'll jump out of the water. Run. Run, Mario, run. 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 Oh shit. No. No! Fucking goddamn it! One wrong move. I'm telling you, one wrong move and you're out. Fucking sucks, man. I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna do it. Yes, I know you're there. It's very, very cool of you, I guess. Ha. No. Shit. Okay. Go. I can technically still win this. Fuck. Alright, maybe I still have a chance. I don't think so, but maybe. Alright, so far going okay. Alright, still going okay. Fucking asshole. Alright, didn't do it. Fucking damn it. Alright. Doing it again. I'm getting quite annoyed by this level. I really am. But it's okay though. I got 3 lives. I get 3 more tries. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Show that ass for some inspiration. Is that like a way to do it? Fucking damn it! I'm not even fucking shaking the Wiimote, you ass! Alright, I've lost this. Too far behind, so I'm just gonna check this out real quick. Oh! Look at the turtle shell. It's all red. Oh! Now I got the turtle shell. Oh god. Oh! I wanna jump out myself. Okay. I was considering, like, wow, how long is he gonna fall? Alright. Try again. Okay. I can do this. It's fine. It's fine. No, fucking damn it. Yes. Yes. Oh no, get this. Yes. Fucking god damn it. Let's jump out. You can't even fucking... I don't want to lose. I just... No. Fucking... Why can I not kill myself? Alright, maybe if I do it like this? No. That's not working either. Alright. That's fine. That's fine. Fuck! Fuck this. Fuck, 1 life. Alright, great. Try again. I'm gonna go until all my lives are fucking empty. Alright. And that's where I ended. Great. Awesome ending. Alright, okay. Never mind, hold on, I can still try. This is... Yes, okay. I didn't even throw him or anything, he just disconnected. Alright, go, focus. Yes, get it. Fucking Mario, are you goddamn serious? Alright everybody, this was the final episode of today. I'll see you guys next time. It was fun, except for this level. So even when I try to redeem myself, I can't. Can I do this though? Oh! Let's see that game over. Game over. Yeah, shall save it. Why not? Failure is also part of life, so let's save it as well. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. No. No more Mario today. You disappointed me, Mario. You messed up. And now my camera's about... Okay. Oh, alright. My camera died. Okay. Well. It's perfect timing, I guess.